Elephant and Soccer Wolf stories. It's a bright Saturday morning at Soccer Wolf's house.
Today is my play date. My friends are coming over. Yay!
Soccer Wolf, before your friends arrive, please clean up your room. Toys on the floor can make someone trip and get hurt.
Okay, Mom. I'll do it later.
Soccer Wolf, I think your friends are here.
What? My friends are here already? Hi, come in. Hello, Soccer Wolf.
We made it!
This is going to be the best day ever.
Wow! There are toys everywhere!
Wow. It looks like a toy jungle.
Can we still play?
Yeah, just be careful. Let's jump over the blocks.
I'll walk slowly.
Ouch!
Are you okay,
Oh,
Pip
no.
Penguin?
Whoa, my knee hurts.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Is everything okay? I heard a bump.
Pip Penguin tripped over the toys on the floor and might have hurt his knee.
Let's take a look here. Does it hurt when I press here? It doesn't seem swollen. Let's get you an ice pack to help you feel better.
Okay.
I think this happened because I didn't clean up the toys.
Thank you for noticing that, Soccer Wolf. Let's remember to clean up next time so everyone stays safe.
Okay, I understand.
Friends, let's go have some snacks while Soccer Wolf cleans up. Soccer Wolf, please clean up the room now.
Okay, I need to fix this. Let's see how fast I can clean.
Snack time, everyone. Milk and cookies.
I love cookies and milk!
All right, let's go back to the room.
Wow! The room is so clean!
There's so much space now.
I cleaned it all. I'm really sorry about before.
Thank you for saying sorry. Let's play together.
Yes! Let's play games!
Can we play a board game?
Of course!
It's time to go home now.
Thank you for the snacks! And thank you for playing with us!
Thanks.
Thank you. I had so much fun.
Thank you for coming.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
See you next time.